Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to convert HEIC to JPG on Windows and Mac. So the first step is to simply open any browser on any device and simply search for convert HEIC to JPG, and then you're going to have to click on the first link, this one here from I Love Images. So click on this and all you have to do is to simply select your images, and after that basically this website will convert your images to JPG format, and after that you can simply download the images converted to JPG. And as you can see, you can even convert multiple images to JPG online at once, so it's completely free, and this is the all you have to do basically. So you can do this on Windows, Mac, and even Android or iOS devices. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.